slider with controls. So here we are going to add play pause button on a slider which is auto scroll. So in previous lesson we saw slider is moving auto scroll. So we are not clicking on next or previous button. It is moving. And now in a today we are going to give play and pause button so we can stop the animation or moving slider. So for that we are going to add play and pause button to carousel slider, and then we'll set the style effect to play pause button, and then we'll interact with the on click while we press play or pause, how slider is going to stop and play. So let's start. So it is a previous demo. We'll duplicate this page. So here now we need play and pause button. So first we'll in icons here already available, so we'll drag and drop play and then pause. So the size, it says 26, so we'll say 26 by 26, and again this same, and we'll select both and we'll fill the color. So we'll take color from here. Yeah, now select again, right click and then selection group, play. I have given the name as play. Now right click again and style effect. While it is selected, fill color and select color from here. Okay, now I'm going to convert this as a dynamic panel. So here we have pause. So first we have to click and pause the or stop the animation. So right click and create dynamic panel, and we'll give the name of dynamic panel play pause control. Next we are going to place this in play pause control dynamic panel. So how we'll do that? First we'll cut this and we'll paste in state 2. So you delete from here because we have duplicated the state from here. So we'll delete this and we'll paste here, and just we have to say x value 0 and y value 0. So it will be placed in a same axis. So here we are going to name it as pause and this as a play. So when we press on pause, what will happen? So click or tap. Here we are giving the interaction here, like new interaction and click or tap. Next, set panel state, play pause control, add what will be the next. So we'll select the play while pressing the pause. Next, it should be selected state. So set selected checked, the play button will highlight it or select it true, and then set panel state slider repeat. Here we'll make it stop repeating. That's it. So we can stop the animation. Now next, play. So we'll select play, new interaction, click or tap, and here we'll set panel state, play pause control, state change to pause because we have selected play. Now next is set selected checked. So here what will happen? Pause will be true in selected state. And next, while we are going to set panel state, this slider DP again start animated. So we'll give some different animation. We can recognize flip up and flip down. So we'll use this flip up and more option. So here we didn't change the state. So here we have to change to next. Next, then flip up, wrap from last if you want, and repeat. So here I have given the less time so we can recognize whether this play pause is working or not. So press OK and then we'll align this play pause button to this. Yeah. Next, we can align this also and we'll see what is the result. So slider is moving. It is in body 3. Now we'll pause it. Slider is not moving. Now we'll see how it is playing. Oh, play pause is working fine. So next, it is on the clicking on the button. We are controlling the carousel slider. Now next, we can give over the mouse. So mouse over, how we'll add the interaction? Here, this is your slider DB. We'll go to this slider DB. First, we need to select this and then we go to new interaction. Here is mouse over. So in mouse over, what will happen? State panel, slider DP will stop repeating. Okay, and the next new interaction, mouse exit. Here what will happen? Same state panel state, slider DP, it will move. So next, wrap from last, animation if you want to give, can say slider and then repeat those. Okay, so we'll preview. So first is the normal, it is moving good, and then mouse over, and now I am removing the mouse from there. Oh, now we'll pause, we'll play. So how is the lesson? How is the tricks? How is this carousel slider? Please let me know, add comment, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.